part 2 because I figured something out. Those weren't the right screws. It was these. One banana. Two banana. Holy shit, that was huge. Oh, that's probably what's holding the other side of the case on. I'll do a size test on this one. No, that one's just a small screw. Another small screw. This one's a long one. It is. It's got a big circle around it. It must be a master. Cling, clang, bang, bang. I'm fat. Chubby. Oh, hello. I almost got all the screws out. Just one more. Alright, let's see. Wait, that's welded. Oh, shit. Well, I mean, this just doesn't look as good. Holy shit, that actually looks pretty cool. Take the shell off completely and then use that as a console. Ooh. Holy shit. Oh my god. We got it open! I got it open! That is a big dust ball. This is the inside of an Xbox 360. Wow. There isn't even a goddamn hard drive in here.